Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the sheet so formulas work predictably. First, trim and clean both name columns to remove extra spaces. Consistency matters. Next, insert a helper column labeled Match Key beside the first list and convert data to a table so ranges auto-expand. Once done, enter the first formula cell. This is where you'll test a matching approach. Make sure to keep headers visible and check a few sample rows to confirm the cleanup worked before moving on. Now you implement the matching logic. For exact matches, use VLOOKUP with false or index/match to return a match from the second list. Explain why index/match is more flexible when columns move. For case-insensitive checks, wrap both sides with lower or upper. That prevents mismatches caused by capitalization. If names vary slightly, use the fuzzy lookup add-in or a similarity formula with text join and score functions to rank candidates. Once you see correct hits, copy formulas down the helper column. Finish by turning formula results into static values so edits won't break links. Copy the helper column and paste special as values. Then apply conditional formatting to highlight duplicates, unmatched entries, and low-confidence fuzzy scores so you can review them quickly. If you get unexpected errors or blanks, make sure table ranges include all rows, rerun trim, and inspect punctuation differences like periods or commas. For persistent ambiguity, manually review top-ranked fuzzy candidates to confirm the correct match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.